Shout out to all supporters and all friends from around the YouTube world. This is Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV coming to you live from the cooking lab. Today I'll be doing a stir-fry shrimp with bean sprout. Yes, with bean sprout and various vegetables. Stir-fry shrimp with bean sprout and various vegetables, and also I will be doing another seasoned rice. Seasoned rice, yes, with green peas. Yes, seasoned rice with green peas and curry. So you can call it curry seasoned rice with green peas. And stir-fry shrimp with bean sprout. You're watching this on Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Okay, I'll be heading to the stove right now. Alright, flame on. And over here, flame on. This will be the vessel for the seasoned rice, and this will be for the shrimps. Alright, I'm going to introduce olive oil. This will be for the seasoned rice, and this will be for stir-fry shrimps. Yeah, stir-fry shrimps. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm in the process of washing the rice. To get some of the excess starch out. This is jasmine long grain Indian rice. Yes, so this will be what I'm using to make my curry green peas seasoned rice. Alright, that's a second rinse. And then I'll be draining it off. And then I head back over to the stove. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is the pot for the rice. Alright, let me get some garlic in here going. Then I'll be adding some scallion. Alright, so this is the part for the shrimps. And then we'll add the onions. So this for the shrimps. And this is for the seasoned rice. I'm going to add my scallion, and one has green onions, so that is my scallion. So this will be for the seasoned rice. I add some curry in there. And I add some Jamaican curry. This is for the seasoned rice. spot here is for the shrimps. And this one here, that's for seasoned rice. Alright, so I'm going to add the beans. So I'm going to add the beans. Alright. I'm going to put some salt and allow that to come to a full boil. I'll add my sea salt. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to add some tomatoes in here. And so this is my bell peppers. Alright, so this is for my shrimps. So my shrimps are coming in here. Alright, this is for my seasoned rice. Rice is already washed. Alright. Add my carrots. Alright, so this is going to be my stir fry. Yes, bean sprout shrimps. This vessel here. Alright, this is for my seasoned rice, green peas, curry, green peas, seasoned rice. Alright, I'm going to pour some water. Add some onion powder. And I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add a couple of flavors in it. Chicken seasoning. Yes, just for flavor. To give it some additional flavor. Everything is about flavor. Flavor is taste. Very important, taste. Yes, in what you're cooking, especially when others are going to partake of your cooking. You give it your best. Make sure you do your best in the kitchen. Alright, so I'm going to turn the fire very low. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. I'm going to add my shrimps. wash and drain. Yes. Wash and drain. Alright, I'm gonna add some butter. Some butter inside the shrimp and as well in the rice. Alright, I'm gonna add the butter inside. Time. Yes. Add some hot pepper. Add some black pepper. So this is my stir-fry shrimps, okay? Stir-fry shrimp. I'm gonna add my garlic powder. So everything's going. I'm gonna add my onions, onion powder. And I'm going to put some curry powder. Add some salt. Alright, I'm gonna put the corn in here. Bowl stirring it up. Add the corn. Yes. Alright, so that's making my seasoned rice. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. So this is my curry seasoned rice. The curry is not very strong. It doesn't give me the color that I'm looking for. I'm looking for a rich, bright yellow. I don't like the flavor of this color. Alright, so I'm going to leave it like that. Fire is turned very low. Yes. Now, let's attend to the shrimps. Yes, all that liquid. Yes, all that liquid comes from the shrimp. Alright, so now I'm going to add my beans in here. Yes. This was 2 bags of shrimps, so that's what it comes down to. And the water is sucked out of the shrimps. Friends, that was supposed to be a stir-fry shrimp. You see all that water? All that water is from the shrimps. I did not put any liquid into it. All that liquid is from the shrimps. All that liquid, my friends, is from the shrimps. I don't know why they do that. All that liquid That is not oil, that is water evaporated from the shrimps. Alright, so I'm going to add my beans without any further delay. I'm going to add my bean sprout. Alright, I add 2 cans of bean sprout. Not 1, but 2 cans. This one, come on again. Alright, 2 cans of bean sprout. So this is my stir-fried bean sprout shrimps. Butter, add some butter into it. Yes. My friends, I stir fry bean sprout shrimp. It didn't quite turn out the way I wanted it. The shrimps had a lot of liquid, was hidden inside of the shrimps. And so as the heat taken to the shrimps, that's what they produce. They produce all that. That is not oil. That is actually liquid from the shrimp. So from the size of the shrimp, from what they were when I first put them into the pot, this is what they shrank down to. Yes. So which means the rest of it was liquid. So I don't know how they do that. They have a secret of making the shrimps look robust and like the jumbo shrimps, but somehow they soak them in water and then put them to freeze to make them look big. Alright, my friends, I've come to the end of the journey. Alright, this is the bean sprout shrimps, okay? Stir fry bean sprout shrimp. And you've seen this on the Winston GeL cooking. A shrimp in a pot, and that is the seasoned rice. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Stir fry bean sprout shrimp. You've seen this on Winston GeL cooking and discovery TV. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, this is my stir-fry shrimp. Alright. Trailer. My stir-fry shrimp trailer. Alright, and you've seen this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. So this will be coming to you. Yes, very soon. Stir-fried bean sprout shrimp. Stir-fried bean sprout shrimp. They're costly. And you'll see this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Thank you for watching. Please like and share.